We are currently in King's Cross train station. We're going to Paris. No, oh, they're watching. Oh,
Là.
we're going to. Where are we going?
Circular key.
Circular Quay, whatever it is. But I think Dada has organized something for us today. We're going on a ferry. Yay! But yeah, Dada just went to get ticket for all of us guys, and then we're going. So guys, in Melbourne we do have Mikey. In Sydney they have
Opa.
Guys, we're just buying milkshakes and some food to take.
There's no entrance to the banking side from down there. This is Watson's Bay, eastern suburbs on the left-hand side.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hold it properly. So that was the ferry. What can you say, madam? What can you say? It's so beautiful here, guys. But I'm gonna tell you a very disgusting story, guys. So Paris just had a poo explosion. Like, it's all over me, guys. I'm not even gonna show you because it looks gross. But yeah, we had to change her in the ferry, guys. And luckily it doesn't smell so much. It was all over my hand, guys, and over my there. Oh, but anyways, we're in Watson's Bay now, guys, and we're just gonna maybe find, I don't know, a shirt for me because I definitely need one. I look so dirty. Hello. But it's so beautiful here, guys.
Look at Paris.
Yeah, Paris is now at the park. As you can see, she's feeling like she's local, guys. What's that, honey?
Birds.
Ladybug. Yeah.
Oh.
Yay. Say bye-bye, Ladybug. Bye-bye, Ladybug. Oh, bird knock. There. You talk. Yeah, talk to the ladybug. Anything. Well, what's that, honey? What's that? Ice. Right, ice cream. Huh?
They don't have chocolate. Because we don't have chocolate.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's alright. Everything will be sweet, so it's fine.
How about mango? Mango? We have something like passion fruit. Or like mixed berries.
Oh, careful then. There's someone in there. Come here. Is that yummy, baby?
Got established 134 years, don't think. No, it's just like a well. Yeah, tingin, nice. Nice. Nice kayo na pag-istorya ba?
Istorya ba? Istorya. It's my first time here, guys, and I must say I'm impressed.
Na-impress yung pilok na baga kay guys.
It's so nice in here, guys. So it's very, like vacation holiday place. we just got off the ferry, guys, and we are looking for something to eat. And Daddy wants to eat Thai again. So yeah, let's go find food. Tidak kok mandikin yang apa? Guys, taga bukid guys. Best around Kumar. Sakit kayo, guys! So guys, the wait list is ridiculous, so we are going to McDonald's instead. Yeah, that's a bummer, because Daddy said that was the best Thai restaurant here. Anyways, but that explains everything. That's why the waiting list is so long. Hi, Annie. Is that your glasses? Is that these?
Is that your glasses? Oh.
McDonald's it is, guys. Because it's pretty warm today. It's 34 degrees and yeah, I think a frozen Coke will help. Uy! Ay, ngit-ngit kayo. Oh, the same here, guys.
Put it on.
Careful with the hand, honey. Bye-bye bag. Careful with your hand, honey. Yeah? So guys, we're at the airport now, and as you can see, I've already changed outfit because guys, it is 34 degrees here in Sydney, but in Melbourne it's currently 15 degrees. How did that happen? But we're just going through the gates now, guys, and then yeah, we'll be in Melbourne soon. Back to reality. Hi again, guys. So we are in our gate now. What happened was we were actually rushing to get to the airport, guys, because our flight was 4:30 in the afternoon, and then we got here to be told that that flight were actually oversold, so we couldn't get in the plane. So they booked us for the next flight, which is half an hour later. So instead of 4:30, we're not leaving till 5 now. So yeah, that's fine. At least, like, you know, we had a chance to actually, you know, walk around the airport and, you know, chill for a little bit before the flight. So yep. Are you ready to go back to Melbourne? It's really warm here, guys, and in Melbourne today it's 15 degrees. So Paris is playing. Hi guys, we're finally home. Yeah, thanks God, guys. There was a bit of turbulence there. It was so scary, but you know, so happy that we're home now. Well, we're actually in Melbourne, we're not home yet, but you know, same thing. Hi Daddy.
I found the baby in Paris today.
Where? Come on, sweetheart. But yeah, that's about it, guys. It is time check. What's the timer? 7:11. Time check is 7:11, guys. So we're just gonna pick up the car now and then drive home, and that's it, guys. We'll just stay rest at home for tonight, and then back to work for me tomorrow, guys. So yeah, it was overall it was a great fun at Sydney. We totally enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you very much for being with us. And I hope that you actually enjoyed it, guys. And please subscribe and also like this video. And then we'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye bye guys. Bye guys.
Ciao, Paris.